tree I dead this.
Me know a tree, some like smaller one like this, but
Yeah.
This is called Precala.
And then that's Spartacus they use, you know?
Yeah. You see, when the tree is small, my father used to use the smaller brands on this tree to make like.
and it's tough, you know, man.
You got ginger video thing now?
Whoa. How far it go? How far it go? Watch out. So all along wanna leave us at first and see this?
Hey, watch out, boy, you know, guys. Watch out, boy.
Yo, hold on there. The way how it cool, don't it? Cool and nice. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's go, man. Look at this.
What, boy?
Yo.
You can see what's tuning in, you know?
Oh yeah.
We are taking a pause. We are taking a pause.
Easy.
All right.
I've lost that love, before. No more ways.
Bend your back, man.
Walk by boss that.
Trainer come. Rock soldier.
No, you see every trailer come and look on the bank.
No, I see some hearts in there.
Bro, in there so can fit people on the train.
You have some space when you build your boy now.
Some hearts.
Cheese and peas.
Boy now.
Hold on, you last box up. Here, lock off it like that.
Hold on, make us see.
Like I like them and see.
All right, up.
Look
All
out.
right, up.
Where I see how dark it be.
Yeah.
Me go pay. So you want to begin it here?
We're big enough to do it, man. We're big enough.
Come on.
Me ready, man. No, man, we good, man. We this, man. We good, man.
The view of noise.
Nah, man, I think me catching on my last one. Yeah, man, we good, man.
This is where we stopped the last time.
Yeah.
And we'll continue.
Yeah, man, say big up to everyone who joined right now on Jamaica Walk By. If you know, this is the Rio Cobre River that runs underneath the flat bridge. You understand? No joke, no doubt. So massive, we are on an epic adventure today. And we are going to do something where me not even can explain to you. Me just want to keep watching right now. But this is going to be epic.
No joke.
And it's going to start off that way there. You understand? So we're here with Everbless. You know what I mean? Everbless Travels.
Yeah.
Over here, my general from America. Still Jamaican, Ozzy video tours. And I always hear me big up Ozzy in my video them. See the man here? Man himself. No joke, no doubt, my teacher. We're outside. So massive. Them link I go there in the description for you support the work, the movements, Ozzy. And we have Everbless Travels, is it? So we are go through nice little spot here, so massive. So blessings and respect to everybody who join. And I mean, we'll probably not talk so much in that video. We just go through and have a nice little vibe. You see me I say? Yes, Godfather. Big up, big up.
Big up, big up.
Yeah, man. So ginger tea. Original ginger tea writer, so no joke, no doubt. And we have a man captain himself. Ginger tea.
Yeah, nah, right.
Heal no man.
Right there.
Captain himself. I'm a general over this. I mean, I know him, but him probably know me. Big up yourself. Richie Rich.
I'm like Charlie man.
Oh man, I operate it. Alright, Richie Rich. So massive, wanna stay tuned. This is gonna be a crazy.
Without water, yeah. We have water.
We have to have water and thing. Alright then, the man. So we not, but me not done for key height and them thing there, you know, so we have things can carry. We can get some water now. Everbless. You have funds for you?
Yeah.
We have to go get some water. Fire so we get some water.
Ginger.
If you sponsor water them go and me sponsor them come back when they reach, yeah? So yeah. That is it. Great Ozzy.
Everbless Travel, sorry.
Everbless Travel, yeah. Yeah, him change him name himself. Yeah. So massive. First I must big up all my members, you know what I mean? I just want to say blessings and respect to all my members. Let me just take a time out to big up all of my members them. And you don't know no specific order, but you'll see it on the side of the screen right here. My members, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting Jamaica Walk By every month, you know what I mean? It's only $1 and things, so big up and respect, you know what I mean? Yeah man, every single one of you. And to be a member on Jamaica Walk By, you can actually just look below this video. The link will be there to subscribe for membership. Only $1 per month on Jamaica Walk By. And it's just to say, yo, Walk By, we appreciate your videos, and we super appreciate you and what you do and all of them good things there. We try to keep it as low as possible because I don't know. I know we have put any food or none of that in anybody's pocket, so we have to be grateful for every little small thing that we can get. See? So big up to all my members one more time, and all my diehard subscribers. I want to say big up and respect. Okay? Mad love, mad respect. Again. You see it? And please, I'm asking to subscribe to Jamaica in 10. That's Lexi's channel. See? No joke, no doubt. Super appreciate everybody for doing so. Alright, so massive. In today's video, we are going to be traveling on that makeshift zip line or transfer line across the river to the other side, and we are going to be heading into the woods, into the bushes, and we are going to go to the train track where the tunnel is at. It's one of the longest tunnel in Jamaica, and we are going to walk underneath or through the tunnel to go on the other side. You understand? So we're going to explore that today, and also we are going to be going on one of the tallest train track bridge in Jamaica as well. Like, it is super scary. Many people, like when you're traveling at the train from back in the day, people used to shut them eyes when they go over it because it's long and it's super high and things. So we're gonna walk over that today and show you some epic adventure today in the Bogwalk region and things. So we are getting ready. If you don't know them tree, you don't know star apple tree, them call it the mean fruit in Jamaica, and we are gonna get ready. So please stay tuned right now. Get the beers, get the juice, get everything, and the adventure is just about to start. Please, I'm asking to like the video, please. Yeah, it look like a rainy day today and thing, but we are get it right. You see me? I say we ready? Ever bless, you ready?
Yes, sir.
As you ready?
What have you? We are left it. No, man. All of we can cross one time.
Oh.
Some of them go on.
Alright, make we go cross and then wait for Toby. See Toby up there, sir.
But only because light is a bright. You can't hit light. You can't light.
You know, honestly, no have no bright light. I'm supposed to. Hold on there. Alright, so man say if you have a front, alright, me have a light and me probably can't. I go for a light.
You have a camera light?
Yeah.
No, man, they don't work, man. You know what I mean?
I go for a light and
the
so
reason why I train go through the on the truck.
Yeah, so me actually go for the light and we are go cross it, you know. Alright, massive, we are load up. So it's a good journey and we are go through some serious adventure. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Great ginger tea right there, so. What you mean? You got that? Clothes and skirt.
Where do I go?
Yeah, man. How much we can go across one time?
Sure, we can go, bro.
Well, we can go across.
Alright, then, man.
Oh, yeah.
If you have dry door, you learn that. You have to say, well, we can go across and you dry.
Clothes and skirt.
It's not talk.
Balance, alright?
Dirty.
Dirty the plan.
Walk by? That is it, man. Epic.
You got draw by this.
Yeah. A madness. Look what I go. Yeah, man. Clothes and skirt. Don't think a joke.
I'm gonna play it thing.
You can play it.
No.
That's a hard part, you know. Low, whoa. Let me turn up firm there. Blouse and skirt. Want a motor?
You see it? Jump off the killer.
Yes.
Bomba! Yo!
We have the power. Alright. Jamaica.
Whoa!
Jaja. Don't make sure you're not nervous.
Alright,
Come
one.
on!
Stand up, steady, walk by. Tell me if you feel like in the foot.
Your foot off here with me. Your foot off here with me, because you don't know, say, I say, thing I did that I come across here. Yeah, my teacher. So, yeah, captain too, man. Yeah, man, we are link up on the forward back. You see me? Man. So it's like we're up on another island.
Different island.
So the team is ready to hit the hills.
Oh, it's a really good adventure. What a tree your name again? A tree you look like one of the tree where them having an avatar.
It's a crop they call that one.
What you call it? Frofro.
Yes.
I think a parrot right name.
Yeah.
It is a close
Guango. Yeah, man, a parrot guango.
It's a guango cousin.
Elephant days.
It's massive. Tree look like it can hold a whole heap of potential. It can build all a house in there.
That's what they call it, elephant.
Alright guys, let's hit the hills.
Alright, so it's a great walk and it starts like this. So big up to everybody who actually joined the video right now. Get ready for that adventure. You know, Jamaica is so beautiful. Let's go, let's see the natural vibe and natural ambiences as we move through. You see me I say? Yeah. Mango tree. I mean, we have a decent crew today. Decent crew. Bye! Oh, you mean? Yo, people have to buy crabgrass and crabgrass just grow here so easy.
We're taking the hills.
Breadfruit tree, coconut tree. It is so nice to live in places like these where you just feel comfortable. You get the real smell of nature, that even the air where you breathe just feel more fresh and not polluted, none at all.
Yes, sir, I run, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Look upon them heavy duty equipment.
I work right now on the farm.
I work on the farm.
Right now, as all of this, I just see me
Blouse and skirt,
right now.
beast mode.
And this thing you jar jelly, board.
How have a key?
In the year right now.
Jaja no. Beast mode, let's do this. No, I then say Bagwak known for a lot of historical things. You know, I can see them at the age upon them, but look at them still a move.
You know the belly full them?
Belly full.
Oh, belly full.
Big mango them.
Big. You know how me love yellow.
Okay.
You know how me love them in manga, you know, they can't too ripe.
Yeah, when they turn.
Then turn.
Right, they don't taste good.
Aye.
Yeah, best thing that. Hey, find any find the find it.
Yeah. Alright, come on. We're gonna reach the pine. We're reach. Now pass it.
And there's a pine field.
I don't think pine ready yet still, but pine did it. They must be young.
Massive, this is so beautiful. I wish some people can just experience this outside of the foreign and know say they are real Jamaica. Real Jamaica. And this is pine now. This is a pine field. Whoa. See a few pine upon it.
Yeah, I couldn't pray right back to me can't go like here for you.
A few pine. What you call them pine again? Them look like what you call a pine now? Sugar loaf. Yeah, look like sugar loaf pine.
What a pine one.
You know, right on the earth.
Great captain.
Oh yeah.
Have a sugar loaf pine. An orange tree, don't it?
Yeah, orange tree.
Mad. Orange tree. So let's do this. So thank you so much for persons who actually joined the video. We're up on an epic journey. Please stay tuned and watch the entire video. Like the video, drop a comment in the comment section as you watch the video so we know say yeah keep track. You see me I say? Please subscribe for membership too on Jamaica Walk By. Only $1. The link below in the video. Yeah man.
But Everbless family TV means in a one little box. You see when I become Everbless travel, in a one big wide box.
Yeah.
So all the food I talk in a one battle jump out on the mouth, I don't have to head it out that.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean I want a battle cost.
Right.
I know say some of the Jamaica walk by car, you see me try capture a natural ambience and a vibe. So you see 30 years from now when somebody will see my video, or when the bad word them different, they must say, listen to the bad word where them used to cuss back in ideas.
Some
that we just need to go get to that.
My granny used to cuss them.
Right.
When you wash it now.
Aye. Blood seed and all them things there. We don't use them there again.
This is the plate clock.
Hear them.
And ram scram.
But I want to go
Stick organ.
your Bengali stick organ.
Yeah, one man live down my background down the road.
See it?
Yeah, no cause bad word. My Christian say man say Bengali stick organ.
Move your Bengali stick organ. You see it? None of them they don't use again. So. What happened?
No man, I lyrics now.
Oh, you're frightening me. Come here, say. Me ready to take up me two BMW them in a man, you know. Yeah, man, a crabgrass, man.
No, look at that one.
Crabgrass, man. Let me say, look how them have crabgrass there, so what we have to buy. Crabgrasses are grow.
Yeah, man. Like a good land grass.
The highway bridge that's way up there.
Yeah, highway road, yeah, man.
Highway road.
Yeah,
So
man.
that's where we're going?
No.
That's far enough.
Come on.
I'm not scared.
Yeah, guava tree.
Elevator or escalator, brother. To reach up there, sir.
You want to go over here?
Yeah. You know, can I use the real cow, but
So if they use the real score, that means that we are going to hold for 6 later.
No, longer than that, man. Darling,
No, man, none of them things don't fear me now, yo.
darling, then take care of
Let's
them.
go beard, man. Listen me. You see if I eat, we take you out, he take you out. If I don't eat, you go, man, you alright.
Yeah, man. If 6 take you, no shower can help you.
No, man,
Oh?
man. Unless you be no gas.
If one of the flat ticks catch you, that's a problem. You have to curse now get him out of your body.
You see it? You know what to do, so we don't get the curse now, man.
No, that's when you have a find.
Hey, and then try to pay creases and lodge up in there.
Yes, man.
Them there sitting there.
A flat tick takes me one time, you know. And me bend down, you know, and I try to get him out, you know, because my neck tired and I couldn't get him out, you know.
You don't want pop off, you don't
No,
want
you
pop
can't pop him off because, you know, because the time when me find him, the time they him swell up, my skin swell up over him.
And he had gone
And he had gone in. You know what I have to do? I have to give up and just get some personnel and put on him because I was determined to get him out.
Right.
You know?
Me grew up with enough of them in the area.
You don't want him head to pop off, you know, you see what I mean?
Yeah, I'm gonna sleep and I sit there and suck my blood, brother. You're mad, man.
Yeah, sleep.
We give him
Can't
story
drop
about
asleep.
ticks. That sounds like a country boy.
Where's as a youth?
yeah, man, the keeper in farm, mash up, man.
You want a thief orange, whole how we do that? You was asleep and my grandfather going in the youth and them have a whole okra them, you know. Yeah. All in can them, whoa. You want to see where a big cassava and a beat cassava with butter. Boil off the cassava there, man. I make sure say it do.
They make we go live long, you know.
What you mean, bro?
I don't know what they food, I don't know when they make them butter, brother.
Me tell all people say me used to eat more vegetable when they look at youth. That in the big car. When we all go a certain place, you know, man, and Papa grung in the brother. And you pick out, you pick all in callaloo them.
Yeah.
Because when you all there, you are hungry in the brother. You pick all the callaloo them and go boil them. And sit there. We say with their bush. I want to walk with the machete.
Eh? No, we are mad.
Now your foot, man.
Here's the foot.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
We have one quiz.
Anything over there,
BMW means something.
The BMW mean?
BMW.
He said when you say your BMW foot, it means something. Why you determine your BMW foot?
And my car that's in, brother.
Eh?
And my car that's in.
Alright, so my people, leave in the comment for me. I'm going to be talking about this story again.
Bad man wagon.
And I'll be asking the question. When Jamaica
No, man, a bad man wagon.
BMW put them, tell me in the comment where he mean. I'm going to say it in the later part of the video. So I wanted to leave in the comment now as to what you think they mean. I wonder if we can add up a
When I tell myself it,
quiz thing with us.
when I tell myself about what we are use defend yourself, you know me use my foot. When I see me move on from here, so Unless you're alone, I'm going to have a problem with it.
What about?
Yeah?
My manager said, when you say you're up on your BMW, it means so. You turn off my camera and they will tell you when to say mean. Me turn off my one because I'm going to ask you. So you can't do something to make what by one. Him say he mean black man, motor. Something what he say again? Oh gosh. It's just don't put on. But anyway, this will tell you what I mean. There's something black man, but it's a black man walking. Something like that. It has something to do with your foot.
So it makes sure you fix a good name for it.
Yes, in determining what you mean.
Why this remind me of going to Blue Mountain. Me walk it, man. Nice and wicked at the same time. Brother, I'm going to know me now walk it again.
But I want to walk everywhere.
For me, no, the roughest thing that I will walk go from here to go Spanish Town, but I know I jump on a vehicle go on the way back. But when you walk at Blue Mountain, remember no, you have to go walk come back.
No taxi now come back.
No taxi, no, not better man.
What tree was this?
This tree?
No, this wasn't ours.
No man. I like a soft tree. What look like? Sweet baby?
No.
Why ginger tea know the thing, you know, man.
No, I love my music cut, you know.
So
You hear that?
You don't have a different adventure now.
I love my one adventure boss. Lifestyle.
So it look like a tractor drive to you, sir.
So how far tractor go that way?
You know, say, don't illa used to do farming further run up there, so you used to plant pine and whole heap of things. Yeah, all of that. Okay.
Alright, Jim here in Jesus. No, John. Capo. Let's go. So I say, may I give you the adventure like you're here with us from a first person point of view. So may I hope you enjoy the video. So if you do so, please like the video, comment, share the video. Please may I ask you if you want share to Facebook.
Yes man. Mermaid about? Yeah man.
Yeah, when we hear so far in Asia, like people when we see a mermaid not really try along, you know.
No man, mermaid is me man. But I said before that people who see mermaid always don't talk to you.
Oh yeah?
That's what I was told.
Hey, are they drop out quick?
No, what? This is why you walk fast.
I mean, want to catch you.
Why?
Yeah, catch me when you die back.
I'm gonna say.
So duck and nest up on my way now. This and now we go stick out the whole like parrot them out tight. So this is how they make them nest in a duck and nest. Yeah. Duck ants in there, nothing there. Alright, so the parrot them, I night them make them nest the way they, when them picnic them born, they have food straight. Alright, it's like they do that you know. You see by all later on your pass.
2 hours.
Yeah, it build up, it lock up back.
A real construction work.
Yeah man. By next 2 hours. Alright so, this lock up back.
Yeah.
Duck ants.
Yeah, they work fast.
Make sure say you don't have this live side of your house.
Let me tell you.
So you see it, you better throw gas on it and burn it.
Every door gone.
Everywhere in your house gone. So make sure say they're far from you. Yeah man.
Jungle with an Amazon rainforest.
You say it like a joke.
Oh yeah, so man. Chop them chop skin man.
Yeah man, then chop. I mean, I both them bite for a living. Duck cans. So me that tell them say at this parrot build them nest in.
Yes sir.
And bore hole.
Yeah.
Put them nest in there.
Yeah, I see them now. Yes, I see them.
They might run up and down.
If this the near your house, remember me tell you.
Any of them in your house? Termite.
Termite? I see them sheep. I see them thing.
No really, no, them different. Two different.
Termite a build nest now, that's enough.
Yeah, termite living.
Them become white.
A termite living in wood.
Yeah, man, I live in that school, living in that ground.
Living on your ground.
The one that hurt because it's white, right? Are different type?
On different type, man. Them wanna.
Big and soft, and they want to come and small and white.
Yeah.
I thought because they live on the
You know the people are afraid of duck hunts?
Yeah. True.
Termite do afraid of it.
I went see.
Oh, and them village.
Oh, it's a tunnel.
I want to drink this man.
Yo, look on this. Whoa.
Yeah, man, I tree and dead this.
Me know a tree, some like smaller one like this, but
Yeah.
This is called percala.
And then that's party cup they use, you know?
Yeah. You see, when the tree is small, my father used to use the smaller brands of this tree to make like pickup
and it's
sticks,
tough, you know, man.
hats. It's a firm wood. When it quail, you cut it the right time, it doesn't break.
You got ginger video thing now?
Whoa. How far it go? How far it go? Shine it. Oh, see one next part. Shine it.
You go by the next side.
Yeah, I go. Yeah, kill him.
Make a walk through it.
You have to put your knee to go through that.
Nah, man, you can bend down and go through that, man.
Hey, ever bless. Boy.
Yo, see I want cave up there, so. Right. Through stone. In the cool, though.
Yeah.
Yo, see that? Look on all the cave up there, so. See it up there, so. Oh, no, it's a fence. Watch out. So all along, when you leave us first and see this?
Hey, watch your bad boy here, guys. Watch your bad boy.
Yo, hold on there. Hold on there. Let me flick on my light.
Watch your bad boy.
You see it?
Hold on there, let me flick on my light. Hold on there, I see. I flick on my light there. Are you ready? You feel like cool?
Woo! Feel like I'm firing with the look. A free AC on it, just I'm not come out just man.
AC, brother.
Man, I tell you.
Look at that.
What this is a woo!
Look.
So we're going through this tunnel here, my people.
Let me just
Is that
bear with me, guys. Let me just plug in this.
Is that culvert? It's a water channel
The water channel,
from
yeah.
another end. So that means that there's a road above this one?
Yeah.
Is that road above this?
So folks, you see this? We're going through this tunnel.
Man.
No, there is no rat bat. There is no vampire bat.
The way, oh, it's cool, look at it. Cool and nice. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's go, man. Look at this.
What, boy?
Yo.
You see what's tuning here now?
Oh, yeah.
Here, take a bus. Here, take a bus.
Easy.
All right.
I've lost that love before. No,
Bend your back, man.
Some people.
Yes.
so we just stoop down and I go through this. Yo, look at this. Yo, I said it long.
Yo!
Yeah, it's too long, man. It's too long.
This is what I'm talking about.
Let's go. Oh my word.
Boy! Guys, you're cruel to me.
Look on the ground.
Yeah, man, stuck in that. We have to wait thing.
I'm not stuck, but you guys are cruel.
Who feeling at the knee? As you saw that.
In my knee. Just, I can see light. That means we.
Outside, need a week. I see.
Boy.
Send me there.
Me bucky shot. Hello, wicked to me. Listen, all one. Some people.
Fire.
Through the tunnel.
The fire reach and say, I listen last year. You feel it?
I made it. W is a wicked. How do you know it was like that?
Yo, me nah lie though, me da set up shop in there.
Yeah.
Cool.
You know what I do? When I mess up the rest of my journey, I'm going to take a week. Yeah. That where you going? My people, Jamaica what, man? These guys are crazy, isn't it?
Nice.
No, them crazy.
Love it.
It's a my type of walk.
That Mr. Man. A my type of thing.
Don't want this rotten, that rotten.
So what are they?
So you have to go walk here, sorry.
Alright.
Oh,
Good work,
so that means
one.
I hit the car just like this.
On the reach.
Well, that means that's the reason why for the tire.
Yeah. Car. What then? Yeah. From there, I have an idea. Alright, let's go. Ooh.
Boy!
Yeah, let's go. Woo!
Walk by boss that.
Trainer come! Rock soldier! Woo. Scramble! Woo.
Right, now come on.
Train!
One time, change early.
Oh my word!
Yo, come here. This is
Oh my! Right on time, you know.
You know, say China come.
What means I told him, me hear one sound. You know hear one sound?
Me no hear nothing, eh?
Hold on there. We're not link with the real people.
Why? What? Yo, me tell us, yo, you see how Jah work? You see how Jah work? Tell us, say nothing not done before it's done, you know. What you say, Captain? Perfect time. Perfect time, man.
Beautiful, guy.
Epic.
This is my type of walk.
That was epic.
Look, guys.
Jeez.
I told you guys that.
Brother, me have to go gear that clip.
Jesus.
What happened?
You gonna press the record button?
No, it run out.
Oh my word.
I record for 5 minutes and then cut.
Jaja.
I wish where we are going now.
So we are going, man.
So,
I'm sweating like a pig.
We have to move fast.
Where's the viaduct? Where's the viaduct?
yeah.
You want to closer?
What a vibe.
Yo.
Ginger tea. I tell you, nothing before we happen, man. And we did to document that, boy. So far, God work.
When we get trained, I say, yo, wait, what going?
I really train that for right. That's how we are.
Right.
All right.
Alright.
Ginger tea. Well, I know. Yo, when you come in, when me tell people, say, more time I say me I do walk by them. I mean, if you just go right there, so one nice sexy girl to step out of one car, and then just step out of one building. Like Father God just say, yeah man, when you walk by your power, me I just make your move. And then they always nice. That's because, hi, hello, how are you? My name is Fabian. And then just willing to talk.
Just cool, man.
Yeah.
No, man.
So that people that pan, yo, oh, you're so lucky, man. Some brother didn't even know.
And then that does give you encouragement to watch.
Yeah, and you see? Yeah. And then everybody want to watch because Father God just say, alright, a content to not do, me I go to some content.
Oh, God.
So when me should I reach earlier, Father God I say, nah man, you have to reach you go later because you see if you reach too early, the train not go pass. You see? Yeah, you can't question God in the dog. Yeah.
This time is a mini tunnel.
Yeah.
It's a tunnel without shelter.
Bro.
Anyway, we try. We
up, so. Yo, me tell us that everything just work out the right way, bro.
Tell me nice time. You feel like you're coming through the place already.
Yeah, come here, sir.
You're like a bad boy.
You fall the side, but you never go through that tunnel.
Oh, him?
Yeah.
How we didn't go to the tunnel every time? Every time.
That one them attack.
Oh, I want up top.
Yeah, that one.
So the one that just came
That one that we just go through.
Just go to a first.
Yeah.
First.
So before you came to the one, when you look on this time, your old man, you could man really long bending down there.
Exercise.
Careful when you bend down. You say no bend down too long. Yeah, it's he not bend down so long. You understand? He not bending back so long.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. We know a vibe still. Know yourself.
You know what I say?
Yeah, we don't know too. You don't know.
So what am
Yeah.
When you are your friend, them at terms it another way. Me not this little.
Yeah, man. But I wish we were a turn. We probably not turning. I probably see him where I mean, man.
Yeah. But you don't know, say, what the ship sail the banana, you know, say, me never did record it.
You never?
And it pain me out.
Oh, gosh, man. I'm sure you say you have to dice the banana. Yes. Ginger tea. Ginger tea. You're not telling so we not just tear off skin off a banana and stuck it on your throat. Can't do that. You can't bite no banana, man. You have to break the banana, man.
Well, you broke the banana.
You hear the Bible say, break the...
I'm on another teeth, I went to the banana.
Use it. No, use it and break it off. And dice it. You know what I mean?
So I ain't come though.
And then you chew it. Yeah. Anyway you want to bite it, but not stuck it on your throat.
No, I don't good style.
No, I don't go. Ah, ginger tea is a good style.
Good style.
Yeah, so. We're on a journey, see?
You like dice, ginger?
Yeah.
You might eat it like roast corn. Yeah.
Why?
So they eat roast corn. Yeah.
So clearly them things are not make by a modern man. You can't say a Asian man cut road through wall.
Yeah man, 1898. Yeah man, and 1898.
Yeah. But I like how they maintain it. They maintain inside the track, yeah.
No, because I backside.
Because I backside.
Yeah man, company.
Yeah. See this?
Never stop using them.
Nah, tell her, man.
They not carry backside, they carry tree, they carry school with them.
Then stop using them.
How many use them, man?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, now when you take them, take it from school up and show come back work and come out. You still work, man. Once at school time and you work, man.
So have to be careful then you not have a coach.
No, you're not running now because you're a weekend now.
Watch out, man. A man from back in the days cut them a stone through this, you know, man. Right through. Oh my word. Blessing to everybody who watch the video. Nice, epic.
1 mile tunnel.
1 mile tunnel. Aight this, ah?
Yeah.
Clothes and skirt. One of the writers on the cook?
Yeah.
Oh, one bat. And this a bat now everywhere in Jamaica. If I see this like your house here, they start rebuke.
Don't be bad, yeah man. Spirit man. Spirit people get it now.
Oh God.
Yes, people are going from Musso Kitchen side to back walk your back.
How that go?
Rat butter run from Musso Kitchen side to back walk your back.
What that mean?
I don't know.
You don't know either?
No.
Why you don't know either?
Then say.
I first be the one there. Oh my word. This is so beautiful, brother. Like, super beautiful. Look on the cliff down there. We're way up, you know what I mean? We're really high up. High up. Man. So, as I say.
Is it this one?
Yeah, the tunnel.
Is this the guy?
Cheese and peace. Massive, the journey is about to begin.
When I get it first hand, you know.
Oh my word.
Like some people will pass by and take wide.
Cheese and peace.
The actual walk. Yeah.
So all like people them were actually there in a train and them thing and I get to feel the breeze, yeah. Feel that. Yo, the outside just smells so fresh. Oh my gosh. Fresh, real oxygen.
19 and quarter.
I see on the poster. Is this Spanish town?
Maybe a distance from where it come from.
No, from Spanish Town.
No, Port. Where you go? Port Escobar. Don't where you go?
So that means me can up that train and go home.
I don't know. Clearing that side of the train.
Yeah, man. So me can.
See fruit down the way I jack them.
What's that? It's a jackfruit tree. Yeah.
Jump down there and get the jackfruit, my brother.
Yeah, one are young.
Jackfruit, the pipe enough it.
Well, I'm to the right one.
Yeah, young man. This one they open it up.
No, man, so I'm giant around this.
So who have a seat?
Oh, yeah, man. So I'm big one.
Yeah,
Blind man, them man.
okay, tree man, them pass and they right. They are 12 on the tree, man.
That big one up here, look. Like a fit.
You know, they fit with that smell.
Yeah. I hear that see like there's some black upon them. Cheese and peas. Look at shot where I go.
Turn L. No, you see every chain come and look on the bank.
No, I see some hearts in there.
Bro, in there so can fit people on the train?
You have some space when you go in now.
Some hearts.
Cheese and peas.
Go in now.
Yes, train coming. Where see black time? If they say we get leaks, I do
You can't tell them no way I'm name.
Yo.
Come on.
Almighty.
Before I go in this place.
it's a regular day. Yeah.
Oh my word.
Yo,
How long gonna say it is again?
It is 1 mile.
1 mile long tunnel.
I kept it. I'll be walking close to you, close by you, sir. I won't be walking close to Jamaica walk by.
1 mile.
As in,
Oh my word.
I'll be walking close to you because you are one man, right?
No, Jamaica walk by.
We are moving from away.
Never been to this
So
tunnel
if you
before.
ever hurry,
No, sir.
I'm gonna try it out. Just like that. I'm having light ready.
Yeah. So, are you ready? Let's go. Cheese and peas. A while ago when the train pass, it seemed so big. Now me measure the space.
Yeah, what other comes through or something?
It is beautiful though.
yes.
Yeah.
And then make it a lot of space.
Yeah, wide.
There's a lot of space in that room.
Oh my God.
Jamaica walk by. This is history.
Yeah.
We're finding them, my brother.
Jeez.
Brother, Jamaica walk by.
Massive.
We give thanks to you too.
Yeah, but yet to look at it and I know so them probably can. Listen, man, we don't need to start something where people can give people them an experience, brother. Because me that pay money if you come do this. Yeah, me that pay money if you go on the adventure. Yeah. It feel cool, yo. It feel like when
Inside here is this.
it feel like when me just touch out an airport in America.
Yes.
That's so weird.
Yes. I'm not against myself.
So it'll get darker and darker. So
I'm not gonna be able to see you. Can you?
cheese and peas. Cool and nice.
Yo, we got store food down there, so just boy. I'm pleased to come here.
See them put.
Because we not make them really too far.
That makes sense.
No, but we're not seeing anything.
Eh?
Give thanks to the light.
Yes, as it was. You turn on the right light.
The right light?
Yes, you're right behind me.
Yeah, that one is bright too.
Yeah, just focus the light there, look, but it in front there, guys.
Sometime my madman live in there.
Really?
Yeah, man, on my live up
Hey,
front there.
Fabian.
Yeah?
Jamaica what one? You hear see again?
Yeah, man,
You see more and more coming.
Yeah, we are not in AC now.
On the know say me live for AC. You know.
And the first one to come in here now. What you say? I'm playing chat there. Yeah.
So,
Lifestyle.
say passing.
Don't know you see from me, brother.
Yeah, turn down. I hope it happens.
Natural AC.
We don't reach away yet, no?
We don't reach nowhere yet. We never reach out.
Cheese and peas. Oh, so we say when we can't see it.
We don't see nothing.
Cheese and peas. So the passenger.
Just see next and all now.
Yeah, so the passenger train through this side run and everything.
Every train.
Remember one time I youth and my mother carrying on the train and I remember I go on the tunnel and I know say we couldn't see nothing.
A water. Water drop naturally from out the top, man.
Oh,
From out the top right place. See manual there.
oh, sir.
And then manual there going when time train come.
Right. When we travel, you remember telling Jamaica white man,
Yeah.
some heart? When we traveling there,
You know, so I'm going to measure a distance you know, to see how far the alright, a couple more. Yeah.
One next one.
you know what I'm saying? I think that's one of the food. Hey,
Yo,
Alright, let's let Ella go again. I see no.
Yo, that gonna be like that. No, we're not ready. No, not ready.
We are see tunnel.
We're going like this.
Wait till we can't see end of this.
You want to get a tool in?
Yeah, man.
Oh, me just say that's captain.
Chacha no.
On the right back, then they don't.
Alright, now I'm going to see the rat back.
Where's the right back?
What's that now? They don't fly right through
Then
that?
I'm looking at it.
Yeah, because they don't have it like this, Captain.
You see it load and load and load.
Why me love it?
No.
Love it.
Rich already?
You put a man.
Rich is back.
You understand? So what did I have to
Rockstone boy tunnel have corner.
Yeah, you don't think.
Oh, they have archie on the left and
Yes,
on the
one
right.
one.
Yeah, man, no left.
No, man, I get one.
You ain't come and suck on in this one.
Jeez and peace. Yo, boy, me love how cool it is, boy. Feel like a foreign me there.
Yeah, man, that's a cool spot.
We're not going to pour a bucket.
Yeah, far back. Run.
No, not gonna run. Come here.
Yeah.
Chacha. Yo, me sure say the amount of millions of people in Jamaica where never yet experience something like this.
And I got Jamaica this.
Ginger tea. Now is your time to create your business. You know?
Yeah, which is right.
As it, listen me, people are going to want that tour. Yeah.
We're going to do it, man.
Yeah, man. People are going to want that tour. Yeah.
What are the hats we again?
Yeah.
Cool and nice.
I want that.
See the water out there.
Water drip from above.
Yeah, water drip. When you're cool, the place sweat.
Some of people, who can you identify in this tunnel?
Wait till we look off the light.
Clear darkness.
No one, not even. No.
Some of people, you're missing out on something. We are feeling hasty inside here.
Yeah, man.
Sweet.
What's the name for this line? I 1 mile.
Just 1 mile tunnel?
1 mile on this tunnel is in Jamaica.
And is the only one in Jamaica?
No, I think you have about.
You have one more for go to Flatbridge side.
A 3 panel line, I know.
The line you don't
Oh,
have.
the tallest one. But
Yeah,
yeah,
tallest one.
I think
And
you
this-
have about.
Which one in Jamaica is the tallest?
This one.
This one.
Okay.
So,
that's why I said this is.
so me ask you. So, and I see him slave from slavery days this big.
Yes, man. Yeah, this bet before dam, you know.
Jesus.
And you have to see that man go tree up the sun.
Because if me not wrong.
The damn the right tree in up there.
They're going to tell you what, because what, I think Jamaica have railway system before America, you know.
Yeah, man, a Jamaica first have railway system, you know.
Yeah, because
And water pump.
right. The water there.
You saw enough of wet.
Your pure side drip hard.
Yeah.
Oh, that drip hard.
I'm working over railroad.
Even water pump. Black man invent water pump down here in Jamaica, you know.
Like an innocent man, they will have heard.
They see me now more.
Oh, they got them in that clean out something.
Yeah.
You want like a like them now?
Hold on, you ask box up. Yeah, like I feel like them.
Hold on, make me see.
Like a like them and see.
Look at it. Where I see how dark it be.
Yeah.
Me go go pay.
Watch out. The Jesus moment of darkness.
You can't see.
Oh gosh.
No, all the messy look like them on the machine.
Yeah, man, yeah, you can't see.
No, that.
No.
That is the man, yeah, even if you and that man you say yeah in a dark.
Oh God. Pitch black.
Brother, and I'm mad.
Hold on. Oh, me tell you trainer come here, what's up?
The trainer come?
No.
No, yes, a white still
The
no.
wine.
Yeah.
Jesus and peace.
If you buy them in a while, I didn't buy them, they put them on the whole. Yeah, they work at one since recently.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, go yes, them.
Yes, yeah, and close it. Oh, so my board them a change out some of them.
Yeah, one video this film.
Yes, man.
You know, chop him up.
Can't chop up beside people that want to see the whole vibe. I have to show them the full experience.
You can see me, right?
Eh?
You can see me?
Yeah, man.
Oh, me not white.
Listen to me, man. My videos is for record the full adventure. So if you want to see everything, when this turn on, me no lock off.
Boy,
Everything. Yeah, man. People that want to see, man. Hey, let me tell you something I don't like. But I tell you something I don't like. You see me? You see me do all the video? And no matter how long it will be, a man still tell me, say, boy, who comes you walk from this or go this or? And you no go round this or? I say, brother, me already walk for 3 hours. Yeah, but you could have go round this or. People say, see that, you walk for 3 hours in a me G. And you show everybody else for them place. And you don't reach my place. Yeah.
In the road, so can't see light on it.
Can't see look a light, you know. Yeah, man. Where I see look a light, you know, I shine on the rear way. Can't even pick it up on the camera. Boy, I'm not telling a life, Jamaica ain't just so cool.
What I say? Why you clear? Yeah, fully clear. Why you?
I wonder if they can see Toby.
Come on!
Move the ever, move them.
Oh, it's the light.
We'll start to light, then we'll say next thing.
Yeah, man. And the Lord said, let there be light.
Yeah, see, you can't see.
Was light.
I can't see the end of the tunnel.
You can't see fall like how.
So people, life is like this tunnel. We go through some darkness. Yeah. Then
See him with yourself.
see light. Yeah, man. Somebody has to
How did someone come from?
Boy, Tommy!
Tommy, I say you give me that man.
Why, Tommy? Watch out! Can't reach up, so what one?
Oh man, some man house man, don't go in there man. No, the man relax in their house.
I thought we see this in the
Nobody know them, I hope you man.
people are walking out house this night in the tunnel.
Yeah man, the man, see them build a house now, so the front door there.
And I can't climb, eh?
The front door there.
Well, from that, did they say that means that
Yeah,
somebody
we got
go there?
soldier climbing if you go up there. Soldier climb. Put your hand behind you.
Oh,
Make him step on you.
Oh, it's like a mall thing.
Yeah, so it's slippery.
Oh, no.
Maybe up the same monster there.
I want to forget from myself.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, what then?
Maybe at the entrance to the mirror.
True, you know? Nice, so we reach at the end.
I fall.
You fall?
Oh, yeah. We're going to shut down.
You damn?
One.
That was a vibe, was an energy. Oh my word.
So we done the one man quick.
Quick.
Yeah, one man go quick.
Jaja, no.
People, we are right there, the light! Like there be light! Like there is light!
Boy, I'm a best
Hey!
Listen to the dam, listen to the dam, listen to that.
Hey! Come on, people.
Whoa.
Look up, look there. You see the people that are using.
This is where we're coming from.
You see the people that are using.
Massive, what an experience.
Yes, man.
Super beautiful. Oh my word. Love it. And listen, you can hear that? Jaja no. Oh.
What the car at? Remember?
Yo, so see the massive right through the mountain that we walk a while ago.
Yeah, man, straight through the mountain.
Right through the mountain.
Solid rock road.
Look there, straight through the mountain. Jaja no. Beautiful. Wanna put down this at all? Man. Cheers. Super. What a vibe.
You know what, like? We walk 1 mile in a AC.
In a AC. In a Jamaica.
Yeah. Free.
Free AC in a Jamaica. Wow. Can you believe that? Jaja Noah.
May I tell you, I love it.
Jaja Noah. Beautiful.
Wow. You love it so much.
Beautiful. Second time.
Second time. Everest.
Jaja Noah. That is it.
How is it?
One Jamaica walk by me. I tell you, man. I am alone, man. I am alone, man. Azzy, ever blessed travels. Yeah. So we are trying to see him where? The truck with the cliff. What that there? Oh.
The truck with it?
With the cliff? No, the one where high up man where people them normally. Ever blessed. The part where the cliff with the train track will run go over.
It's in the back that way.
Back that way there?
Yeah, this is another mile back that way.
Oh, that made the way that day.
Come on.
I thought about the
viaduct.
The viaduct.
No, viaduct so. I'm next to that, man.
Oh, so you there?
Yeah, so we have a bus. So and we have 2 more tunnels, you know, but they're not all like this. Before we reach the side. Yeah.
So going to that way, you know, a back walk.
Yeah, so we're going to head into the town of Bagua now. Yeah.
That is it.
Hello, my neighbor!
Yo. What a vibe. See all the road down there, sir. River Road. River Road.
I know some people for drive with care and caution, brother. I look at the road, you know.
Are you good?
Just drive good, brother. And drive at a certain speed. You can't speed on the road.
Cha-cha, no.
Unless you want something there.
So what next time we have to go do? The one we walk over the
Viaduct.
The viaduct. What you call it? Viaduct?
Yeah, man, viaduct, then call it. Brother, to all that, that's one of the scary thing, bad man. I like that.
That me want.
Look over that, no, man, you. Come like a drop me a drop over there.
That me want walk over. Me want.
Go there, I see a picture and video, I see how you look.
Brother, that's a scary charge.
Cheese and peas.
Yo. Don't bridge in Jamaica, I like that.
Yeah.
Brother.
When you do that, come on, brother.
Brush off your ear. Brush off your ear. Yeah.
Yeah, man,
That's
going
right.
to play a madman role, man. You look like a madman are going right down.
No, I ain't like that.
Oh, that William.
Uh,
William!
the machine, the beast. What an epic journey.
Ginger. And there's a team up here.
Yeah.
They are playing with money. Because this is where they could have rafting daily. And camp. Stop right there. So they start up on the bridge way up there. And raft all the way through there.
Yeah. And then the government find a way of to
So find
contact
a way
them.
to stop it. Well, my people, we're going to wait and see the car. We're encourage them.
But me not tell a lie, I do enough things with this.
Me I tell you.
I make it, you know.
Yes, man.
I mean, get me life vest and all of them things
Yes.
for them.
Yes. And
And me I go do it.
while when they don't have no one to carry, they clean the river.
Yes.
Keep it clean. Like all this time when the dirt man get another flow.
What is that now?
So Oh, it's another gully that leads into the river there, yeah?
What is it?
Another gully.
Like the hole.
Yeah,
Yes,
my
the
whole.
gully is coming from the wood.
I want to come from the wood.
I say deep. And a rubbish in there, like it's a well.
Because you wash from there from the
And you can see how they set it up, that's his train.
Like it's a well on the street down. Rubbish there. Yeah, when water run come down, you just go through that stuff.
Yeah.
Go in the river.
Yeah.
Yeah, me see it.
Right. So if water there up so, it flow through that.
Yeah.
Mash up the truck, you just go through that.
Yeah, inside the machine truck, yeah.
Right.
Some of people
This when water gets style, get push all the as big as the wall, be push off.
What? Tear down, man.
full experience.
Yeah, man. How we are bringing to the people them?
Eerie cherry.
People may give justice by subscribing to our channel.
Yeah, man, and watch the videos
Watch
then.
the videos, my people, to the end.
Cause that I you know.
Yeah, man.
Cause sometimes if you follow it, you wonder where all like people then gone.
Yeah. So we still have full career.
Beautiful.
We know a whole bucket of people we are giving everything.
Cheers.
We can see. I like that. Cheers. This guy's crazy.
Hey boy,
Don't do that to me, my brother.
God, make sure field truck is in the field. For your field truck, the truck will start vibrating.
the feeling.
Yeah, the truck will vibrate for the train that coming up. That's why more time I walk, move up on the truck. When they
I feel it.
Feel it vibrate. Man, how far we are coming.
A couple steps.
We're good, right? Yeah. We used to do that, man.
You see a balance. As the video tours. Yeah, man.
Uja Bob load.
Uja Bob loads.
The balance have been good, man.
You do record him. You do record man now.
Yeah, man.
You know some everything.
No, say I saw your program, man. You go on. Cheese and fish.
Because let me just tell you, you would run.
I shot beautiful earlier too.
When you hear me tell you what I mean, you never bless I tell him. You know, I'm not straight, but you know, up to some
It's some
mischief.
foolishness.
Up to some mischief.
Yeah, the place is so dark, brother.
Yeah, but another new one, yeah.
No, me actually go back to that one. Me go back to that one now. Yeah.
What is the new one?
Overeat too much.
Oh, it's overeat.
Yeah. Cause sometimes in Jamaica get so hot.
To get overeat.
And me I walk in the streets I get hot. So with this I now realize that this not do that.
It's not do that.
But the other one show better and more
Better, yeah. It has the flick screen.
yeah. But what they eat me they have a use because me never ever go that far.
You never got to.
And up them place are cool.
Yeah.
Yeah man. Whoa yo.
I brought him to Australia from Africa, you know.
From Africa?
Yes, man, him say watch every day and say, me personally to tell Jamaica walk by him name Finding Ian, that's his name.
Finding Ian.
Finding Ian. Him
Big
say,
up to Finding Ian.
yeah man, him saying watch you religiously.
That is it man.
What's that?
Yeah man, I want good shop.
No, when you drop off, I say you're in trouble.
What I did it?
No, man, if you drop off, I say you're in trouble, man.
Right, that's a fur, man.
Yeah, that's gonna, you're gonna bush him.
The blows that's good. I chew man. Go see me a chew a camera them up here. I say, gonna save the memory card.
Where's it? Make sure I see your memory card.
Yeah, me a chew I say save the memory card.
Which is right.
Cause me know me can swim go cross.
So you watch the movie, the movie Catalan. I think I say the girl in there. When she was a baby and then come in and kill her the whole.
Oh, Catalia.
Catalia. Right. When the father said this is the chip to
Your freedom.
your freedom.
Yeah man.
Swallow that.
Yeah man.
She run, and when she says she not gonna make it, she swallow that. And let me tell you something, the seriously part of the movie there, for me
I want you to come back.
is when she come back and when she da practice the dog, then when she used to feed the dog with the meat.
Oh, teach them then.
Yeah, so
That is it.
I say heat. You see when she leave the dog in
the van, my boy, she say God.
Van just did a shake to her, you know, you can see blood
And I say eat.
You see? Tell you just say eat.
It's so nice.
And dog have a feast.
We have a nice
Where?
cooking right now.
Yeah, we have one cave itself.
Yeah, look at me now. I couldn't encourage me now on the madness, you know.
We're looking at the bite, one whole light of bite.
Yeah, one whole light of bite.
You look at picture?
Man. Which part that there? Where there? Oh, down in that village.
How much year is that?
Pera? No, no, sorry, I hear that.
About 4 years later than more.
Which part?
Part of a cave.
Which cave we are going to know?
No. In village that.
Nice village.
So that's at least the way more than 2 years.
Mr. Fox, see what that looks so.
We have been born the farm,
I
brother.
hear that, you know.
Or a alien.
You know, realize that I'm black.
Or maybe because I live in that cave and we call it a mutate.
Yeah, try money.
Or maybe I really say mermaid then look out and know.
You know that cave the nice. Go like I have a cave.
White up, you can't suffocate.
So what's that now? What's that?
See where water channel.
That's concrete there? Yeah. See concrete.
Oh, I need you because they don't want to mess with children.
Yeah.
What about you, son?
Water. See part if I'm say it's a
Never
compressed.
through there.
No. Yeah, then
Oh, see there? They must then still maintain the track, they must cut down the bushes and all of that. Really good.
Jamaica, listen, brother.
Yeah man, I wish they really we should have really advanced our train system long time though. Me afford all that so now, me just park all the Spanish town and me just jump on a train. I'm gone and leave.
Yeah, we want some speed train.
See all them one I want to dig out, yeah.
Get some speed train. No traffic. Reach where you go pick up.
In part of flat.
Yeah, man, the line, man.
I know say me I realize me I look on the welling. Oh then well the line them. See one dent
Yeah,
here.
man. A boat.
Then well it and stitch it together.
Nice.
Smooth and pretty.
I was watching a channel
They call it termite welding.
where they fix it.
It's a termite welding.
Yeah, man, then clamp on it, something funny and do it and show and sit down and light down and please.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
But they have a new system now where they go over here and you want to see light and when it moves, shine and
Try and polish.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the man has a sophisticated. Yes, man. Yes, man.
Hey, get a nice breeze.
Yeah. Track lane, machine.
This is an experience for me. But I'll make you a promise I'm not going back.
Which is right.
I'm not going back. You guys will find me another place to go.
Yeah, man. No, we have another place.
Yeah. you know that there's a cave, a drunk cave. Great cave. It's like that. It's called 360 cave.
360. You know me name there already.
Inside the interest is like inside white. Fully white.
Wow.
Yes.
So we are walk, we soon reach a bag walk town. You know what I mean? Eh? Oh. One bridge up as a too? Great Toby.
Never.
When you say never going on one plane?
Never go on a plane. What's the man with that airport when I go bad man?
So we not go far now, we go ship?
Me?
Yeah.
I like me from the can't swim, Charlie. You can't swim? No, man, I feel me rock this man. No, me. Country? Eh? Where you not swim? No,
So we say nah, I left Jamaica?
no, man, me go out and rock till enough far. You can't sell me clippings then.
Yo, G say nah, if I plane do if I lock with him.
No, man, the plane. Hey, I want to tell you now, we share bridge, you know. Take a plane. Select time. Right to the side.
Beautiful. Love it. Love it. Ginger tea. Ginger tea. Me never love foreign like how me love a plane ride.
Serious?
Seriously.
Brother, if they have a, if they have
a nice pilot.
what they call it, claustrophobia.
Yeah.
But brother,
Yeah, pill can take, man.
right, you see that I told you a while ago?
Yeah.
You go get, brother, you know, mad, me I get mad, you know? Some mad man walk up and the man a laugh. Yeah, I get afraid that. Yo, you know what's mad, me I get mad, you know?
Jesus,
Come out of
please.
me way, brother, cause yo.
You want to move? They say want to move.
Oh, 80, knock out my Mr. T.
Me nah lie, man. Me tell you something, man. Me love it. Plane ride. Remember, me that travel come back to Jamaica and the plane I go through some serious turbulence.
Yeah.
The whole plane I scream and me the pan. Yeah! Woo! Sweet.
I know, it's one time.
Come here, say daydream for traveling, dog. I say, yo, one day, man. Eh?
In my whole 10 years, we never get a mad flight.
What? We get on flight, come back. Jesus, but rain a fall and sit.
Never get the whole turbulence. Like
What? Plane a dance up there, me G.
Yeah, me just lucky. Only because when I traveled the last time, the pilot was kind of rough. When we leave from Tampa to Miami, it was kind of rough. He put the plane down hard.
Oh.
Yeah. But the rest was cool.
Oh, see, Bridget. So we are.
Now we are in
Crocodile in this river
Baghdad.
right
Yeah.
up here, so.
Say that again?
First time we see crocodile in a river right up here.
Up as so.
So where are they now? They watch it?
Tell you the truth, you don't know.
They watch. Yes,
A years now we don't see them.
And then probably in there.
So we can't tell if they're in there or if they're
yes,
gone.
they watch.
So me can't go tell us they don't wash you or them don't wash you. Me can't tell them like what they.
We are now in Baghdad.
I don't know where them gone. But we feel like they're gone. We still talk. When they're there, we used to see them every day.
Yeah, then probably water probably
We feel like our people make their rough guys. When they come, people fling stone off of them.
our current sometimes just a wash them down the stream.
Fling stone off of them and then say crocodile and get into bad. They like they're silent and them place there. As they come over big stone and drop in their head.
Jaja no.
All that time stone them. I want to ever see. We see them on the right, so. We see them on the down there, so. We see them on a Barbara.
So we're reaching a
We see them up a chin them up a
reaching a
top
bag
part.
walk, you know.
Why am I here? We see them on a handpin. We see them on a ride. Where are they? A ride, I love it.
Beautiful, man. Jeez.
Just make a walk by and say, leave not, he will not go back again.
Anytime.
Yeah, man.
Beautiful, you know me just a soak in it.
Those streets are kind of popular in this year.
Hmm? Yeah, you see them now.
What's the name of that tree? It's a cotton? Right, yeah. Small one. You mean the dumpy tree?
Yeah, no, yeah.
One giant one in a flat bridge, right?
Yeah, man.
Always go.
I don't guess some people that keep a bowl for foolish.
Fool in it.
Alright, I don't go around. The
Drama.
money when I use them, they use that bike for Guinness.
Yeah, man, and drink.
Guinness and stuff and thing.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna fix their life.
You look at what you say?
Not sure.
And them a do, you know. You understand about them?
Well, who can I give this advice then?
Eh?
Could I give them advice?
Well, there's a belief.
I don't be just I go tell you, you know, me G.
They work for them.
Yeah, if you work for them, then can go on, you know, but remember, you know. Say, when feeding time come, you know, he come, you know.
His name Karma.
Yeah, man, that's how you go.
So we walk it.
See, but me know, me walk with Jah, you understand? Me no make
Yeah, man.
anything they want to say, then say, you know, me no really.
That is the great.
Yeah, me never say, never beat Jah yet.
Almighty Creator will say.
We in a bag walk.
I say, the chicken, the jerky.
Oh, yo. All my people now live right on the train line. I see train a pass regular. And think probably want to lift them just happy. A pass, eh?
Oh, yes.
It's a bias. Yeah, so you don't know me no move. So I was saying, if you just join the video, please like the video. Drop some comment in the comment section if you would do this journey for a tour. You know what I mean? Can we link up ginger tea and we can do about that same little vibe there. And I can get a little different energy if you come to Jamaica and say you want to experience walking through the tunnel. It was amazing. I'm if I tell you. So We're there in a Bagwalk town you know. Yeah man. So this are the road now leading to Bagwalk town. I do a video of Bagwalk town back in the day. Like about 2 or 3 years ago. And think great captain over there so. Yeah man. And what a community name, Captain? Yeah. Let's call it Bagwalk Bridge. Oh. That's how that's how you call it, a Bagwalk Bridge. Nice. Don't know. Where do I go? Yeah. See, follow a train line over the road. Man. Stagaba. Original Stagaba. Jaja no.
We have been your good teeth. Them when you can bite them with your gum.
You said I see me can't bite when we know them man.
Watch out man,
Donkey Khan.
I know they now wait for that now.
Buster.
Yeah.
No, not this way guy, Donkey Khan see the way it's so tough. So they so tough, let me solve them, anybody can bite them.
No, man,
Yeah, there it is.
Alright. So this is a tough. A long time you see them tough.
Man.
Long time you see them tough. Now I'm going to buy it in the city.
I don't left my grandpeople we don't know. Aji bunks.
Aji bunks.
Yeah man.
Aji bunks.
Aji brother this you know. Aji brother you know.
I'm here Jamaican, you know this one.
Aji brother this here.
Alright, Toby.
Aji and my grandpeople, you know, you look for me. You don't want nothing to do, you know.
A bad boy now, you have a problem man.
Yes, I rule.
Yeah, you have to talk.
What?
You have to talk. You know.
No, the one they have been in that.
How have you water them?
In my man, boy.
Yes, good. Oh, you have a garbage just my friend? Garbage bin.
Don't they so?
Yourself.
I can't throw it down there so because it's so sweet.
Alright. What I mean? So. Bless up, bless up. So a community sign, but I don't see no name. I don't see can't make out the name of the community. Like I know so them people are them have a coolings, you know. Up here so cool and nice. What a great video. Oh my word. Ready again? Alright. So I do back the train line and then we go quick up in the town, no?
Up in the town.
Long term.
Long time.
Yengati, ready. Going good?
Today we are with
Big up and respect.
Deadliest. Some people Deadliest is in a wheelchair. And just said that your living condition is kind of the main.
So we are jump back on the train line. I'll go straight night town. Oh, your father? Yo. I say, I love you, Buster.
A long time you get none, man.
Stagawa. Bro, the building there, that look like recently burned down.
Huh?
The building there.
That one that burned down.
Man.
That one is burned down.
Me ain't that burned down. If you need that one, you see it. You see it? My father, I been made.
I might tell you, look like it recently burned down.
You can't know that.
You there?
So let me ask you a question now. When the trainer come trace, you have a warning bell or something to people know the trainer come?
So we stop the system first.
Yeah man, that's it.
That's it?
But it look like them man a deal with by experience.
One up at Linstead side.
Linstead side.
Chain lick off and carry off and check up there.
Rockstone. Alright Massive, let's go. Ever bless, ready?
Public.
Soldier. Jaja no. Why I'm not telling a lie, I like the place. I don't know, I love Jamaica, you know. Just wish the people them would have just live in love and just love with foolishness. God believe me, I want my wish. Eh?
Cheapest hardware.
It's the cheapest hardware in Jamaica.
Cheapest.
Oh, T-Vest. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I'm not going to entertain you with that, you know, no go on. You see if I not cheapest, I know I'm show him.
Right. But then I understand, we have to urban.
Oh, it's a beautiful man. You watch your wind that dog and install the light. Right, your window. Nice to go shower lawn and thing. Crazy camera, you know, man. Bagwalk High School over there. That one look like a mini one, just where's a branch off in there. Thomas River this. Oh, so you're right there, so now then can switch the train track. Man. Look at they actually recently do some switching. The backside train probably go somewhere else.
No man, when they maintain the train, like, you know, are them all parking.
Oh yeah.
Over there, so. But that's a main line.
I main line this.
Yeah, we run straight. But like if they have a train to work on or anything for them, switch the line and carry it on that side.
See there?
All the installation that they do.
Mad. Forward, man. Yeah, man.
And a big tank, I am putting one tank.
There's a gas in our deal.
Which tank that? There's a railway station now. Two-body railway station and top views. Oh, now to take that one, eh? And I go straight to me. Oh, no, I road there. Yeah. Man.